3, 2, 1.
I'm warned to protect you from the sun, but have no eyes. What am I? The answer is C. Umbrella. What is the greatest number of characters that Martin has played in one episode on the self-titled show? The answer is B. 5. Who was the designer of the Empire State Building? The answer is A. Ludwig Mies van der Rohe. What is ichthyology the study of? The answer is D. Fish. What is the smallest unit of an electrical current in a conductor?
The answer is A. Ampere.
What tool is used to saw through metal? The answer is A. Hacksaw. What is a renewable source? The answer is C. Energy from the yellow dwarf star closest to us. In 2003-04, who became the new owner of Chelsea? The answer is B. Roman Abramovich. This term, denoting an internal organ, also refers to a color which is a mixture of dark brown and gray. The answer is A. Liver. What is the molten material deep within the Earth? The answer is A. Magma. What performance-enhancing drugs are synthetic versions of the male sex hormone, testosterone? The answer is B. Anabolic steroids. What is the meaning of the name of the constellation Leo Minor? The answer is B. Lesser Lion. What instrument is known as the king of instruments in orchestral music? The answer is D. Violin. The famous line "I'll be back," or a variation of it, was used in which Terminator movie? The answer is D. All of these. What airline was the owner of the plane that crashed off the coast of Nova Scotia in 1998? The answer is C. Swiss Air. What single by the Notorious B.I.G. earned him the 1997 MTV Video Music Award for Best Rap Video? The answer is B. Hypnotize. What is the basic chemical compound that natural pearls consist of? The answer is C. Calcium carbonate. What does the name Moses mean according to the Bible? The answer is C. Taken from the water. Like Earth, the moon has a distinct crust, mantle, and what else? The answer is B. Core. What type of logic can lead to important conclusions from the collecting and analyzing of observations? The answer is B, inductive reasoning. I'm never held and can be broken easily, yet I hold the most weight. What am I? The answer is B, world record. How many pounds of pumpkins were produced for Thanksgiving 2005? The answer is D, 998 million. What is the symbol for polonium? The answer is D, Po. In what year did the Southeastern Conference SEC receive permission from the NCAA to conduct an annual championship game in football? The answer is C, 1992. What is the invention associated with Alexander Graham Bell? The answer is D, telephone. I'm a pathfinder for travelers, a boundary for lands. What am I? The answer is B, map. Which one of these volcanoes is not situated in the state of California? The answer is D, La Palma. How many strikes are needed to call a third strikeout? The answer is C, 4. Which instrument is used to produce glissando effects in electronic music? The answer is A, synthesizer. I'm a kingdom without a king. What am I? The answer is A, dreamland. Which clothing item is used to cover a head or part of the body for religious reasons? The answer is D, yarmulke. Which vehicle was used by Neil Armstrong to land on the moon in 1969? The answer is C, Saturn V. To help it survive, an organism has a capsule, endospore, and pili. To which group does this organism belong?
The answer is A, bacteria.
A long chain of monosaccharides linked by glycosidic bonds is known as what? The answer is B, polysaccharide. Which god gave the name of March? The answer is B, Mars. What device does a golfer use to hit the ball? The answer is A, club. The interaction of what opposite factors describe a biome and ecosystem? The answer is C, abiotic and biotic. If the world were a village of 1,000 people, how many would be from the North American continent? The answer is D, 79. I cover your head and shoulders, but not your feet. What am I? The answer is A. Clope. When did China test their first atomic device? The answer is C. 1964. Heavy rain can cause soil to flow quickly downhill. What is this change called? The answer is C. A landslide. I carry you over bridges but can't swim. What am I? The answer is C. Train. What year was the first public demonstration of the World Wide Web held? The answer is D. 1987. A student in an empty classroom shouts, "Hello," which best explains what the student hears after the shout. The answer is B. A reflection of sound. A city of romance with famous landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. What am I? The answer is B. Movie. In what country is the computer-animated fantasy film Brave set? The answer is A. Scotland. What part of any animal is absolutely forbidden for consumption by Jewish laws? The answer is D. Blood. In what year did the first brown supermarket grocery bag appear? The answer is A. 1871. What is the only ocean without a major river flowing into it? The answer is A. Arctic Ocean. What is the name given to a group of related languages?